Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
أخيرا الحمد لله.
Alhamdulillah.
Now, Ribhi, can you answer?
Yes, mister.
Yes, number 13 here. Can you read?
Mas'ud and his friends built a number 2022 with 66 cubes, as shown in the picture. They painted the whole surface of the structure yellow. How many of the tubes have exactly 4 faces?
Yes. Before starting, I want to ask you about any cube has how many faces?
In each cube has 6 faces.
Excellent, Ribhi. Excellent, mashallah alayk. Then here I have 2022. It will be colored with yellow. I want the number of cubes has only 4 faces painted. Only 4 faces what? Painted. Can you tell me? I will give you a hint now. What?
Yes. It will be hard if we see each cube
Yes,
how many
I
faces.
think it's hard, yes.
Longer.
If I look for this cube, for example, it will be colored from up and from behind and here in front and here in the left. It will be colored from the right and down.
The right and can you repeat?
Again, this cube
Yes.
will be colored from up
Yes.
and here from this side and from behind and from the left.
Yes.
I can paint it from the right and from the down.
Yeah.
No.
I mean no.
Yes, no. Then I have 6 faces in each cube. Here I colored all faces except 2 faces. Then here I have what? 4 faces.
Yeah.
Painted, yes. And here the same. And here is the same. And here is the same. You will find all of this cube the same 4 faces, except some cubes has more than 4 faces painted. Like what? Here in the 0, all cubes like each other.
Yeah.
Then,
so all the cubes in the number
yes,
0
has 4
all
faces painted.
have 4 faces.
Yes, 4 faces
So
painted.
now we have
Here in number 2, we have this cube at the end and here at the start. If I want to paint it, I have up and here in front and here on the left and here down and here we have how many faces? 1, 2, and behind 3, and here in the left 4 and down 5. This has 5 faces painted. And also this cube has 5 faces painted. While the rest here in the 2 has 4 faces. Then I move here to this 2. I have also this cube and this cube. And here is this cube and here is this cube. Then all of these cubes has 4 faces painted only, but this cubes has 5 faces. How many cubes here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then all of these cubes painted 4 faces except 6 cubes. Here I have how many cubes?
66.
Yes, 66. Minus 6 cubes is I get what?
60.
Yes, the answer
So
will be what?
The answer is E.
Thanks a lot, Rabi.
Mr. Me.
Everyone got it?
Yes.
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 Let's move to question number 14.
I have a question. So how do I know if this one, when you said that it have 5 sides, how do I know that it's 5 sides or 4? It's colored.
5 sides. If he asks me about the number of 5 the cubes which has 5 sides painted, I will choose here 6 cubes. We have here 6 cubes.
How do I differentiate between them?
Here he tell me. Here it's about imagine. Yeah, Ribhi or Hamad. Here, this cube here, we have how many faces will be painted in this cube? We have here this face, and up here this face, and the face here in the left, and here behind face, and down we have another face. How many faces?
Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about to imagine the solid.
yes.
Clear?
Okay. You can solve the next question.
Let's move. Who will answer? Hamad?
Yes.
Yes, ya Hamad. Here in question number 14.
What?
A rectangular faced water
A
tank.
rectangular-based water tank has dimensions 1
Yes.
meter times 2 meters times 4 meters. It contains water to a depth of 25 centimeters, as shown. In the left-hand picture, the tank is turned that 1 meter times 2 meter faces becomes the base, as shown. In the right-hand picture, what is the depth of the water now?
Yes.
Okay.
Here we have two tanks here. Or here, the first one we have dimensions. What the meaning of dimensions? It means length, width, and what? And height.
Okay,
yes, here we
he
have
said
4, and here we have what? 2, and the height, all this is 1 meter. But here the height of the water is what? Is 25 centimeter. Can you convert from centimeter to meter?
I think it's about 10 or 100.
It's 100, not 10. 1
100.
meter equals 100 centimeter. Then if I say it's a 25 centimeter, means how many meter?
2,500.
No, to
No,
convert to
0.25, 0.25.
yes, it's 0.25 or quarter is the same.
Yes.
To convert from meter to centimeter, we multiplying by 100. But from centimeter to meter, we divided by what?
100.
Yes, it's quarter meters. And here's the height of the water would be quarter.
Yes. And then this question said that it's 25 centimeters. So when we make it at this shape, the new shape, it will be like about the quarter of it.
Quarter of it. So, let's talk about the water here. The water here is the same the water here in another picture, yes?
Yes.
Then the volume will be change of the water or keep it?
What? No, it will be the same.
Yes, it will be the same. We have the same volume. If you know the law of volume is the multiplying for dimensions for the water. Means what? If I want the volume of water in the first shape, volume equals what? Equals multiplying of dimension. We have length here 4 and width 2. And the height of water is what? We say it's a quarter meter, yes or not?
Yes.
Yes, then
So
I will multiply 4, multiply 2, multiply quarter. Equals what?
Equals 8 over 4 equals 2.
Yes, equals 2. This is the volume. Then here in this figure, I want the water will be with volume 2 again, yes?
Yes.
Here we have length here is 1 and width 2, and the height here, I don't know. I'll make it h. Here, then the volume is 2 equals what? Equals 1 times 2 times h. I want to know the value for this letter h. This is the height here of the water.
What times what equal to? What?
Yes.
So what?
1 times 2 times what equals 2?
Times 1.
Yes, excellent. Times 1. 1 times 2, 2 times 1 equals 2. Then here h will be 2. 2 what? 2 meter. Then the height here of the volume, no, here it will be 1, sorry. Then here the height of the water will be what? Will be 1 meter. 1 meter, I will choose what here? Letter?
D.
Letter D, yes. I think it's difficult. Yes or not?
Yes,
This is so difficult.
Anyone had a question here in this one?
Mr. Yeah, I didn't understand how it's 101 meter.
What's your name?
Maria.
Maria. Here in this one, What's the problem? To find volume or to find the height of water?
Find the volume.
Volume. First, before starting, I repeat it again here. Here we have two cuboid here. The first one here we have a tank, the first tank, and here's the second tank. Here we have the same amount of water. Then we have the same volume. Volume means what? It means the multiplying of dimension. Here's the dimension, yeah, Maria, of water here. I have the length is what?
Of water
Maria, with me,
is
it's 4. And what's here is what?
2.
2, yes, Maria. And the height of water is what?
25.
25 centimeter, yes?
Yes.
Here I have all of dimensions with meter unit. Then I should convert from 25 centimeter to meter unit. We say before to convert from centimeter to meter, we divide it by what? I have meter and centimeter. From meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. But from centimeter to meter, we divide by what?
100.
Yes. Then 25 centimeter divided by 100, it will be 0.25, means quarter. Yes or not?
Yes.
Then instead of 25 centimeter, we can say the height here is quarter meter. Yes or not?
Yes.
And then to find the volume of water here, the amount of water, I multiply the 3 dimensions together. 2 times 4 times quarter, like this, in this step. 4 times 2 times quarter. I can cancel here 4 with 4, and 2 times 1 is what?
2.
Then the volume here of the water is 2. Then here the water has the same volume as what? 2.
2.
And then ask myself, here the volume is 2, equals what? Equals the multiplying of dimensions. So what is the dimensions here? I have here 1 meter, and here 2 meter, and the height, I don't know it. Give them any name, like X, H, make it empty without any letter as you like. Then the volume, it will be 1 times 2 times what? I don't know. To get the volume 2. Can you tell me 1 times 2 times what to get to?
1 times 2.
Yes, 1 times 2, it's 2 times 1 to get 2, yes or not?
Yes.
Yes, then the height here will be 1 meter to get the same volume, yes or not?
Yes.
Then the depth here of the water now is what? Is 1 meter. I will choose it. Got it now?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's move to, who will answer with me? Muhammad Ahmed.
Me. I have a
Yeah.
question. Me.
Who had a question?
Me.
What's your name?
Jana.
Jana, what's your question?
How did 25 centimeter turn into a quarter?
It will be 1/4 meter.
How?
How? I will tell you now. Do you know 1 meter equal how many centimeter or not? Tell me, Jana. 1 meter equal how many centimeter? Jana,
Yeah.
with me?
Yes.
1 meter equal how many centimeter? It's 100. 1 meter has 100 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay, then if I draw this shape as a 1 meter, and this 1 meter, I will divide it into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. This means quarter, and this means what? Quarter, and this quarter, and this what? Quarter.
Quarter.
And we know that 1 meter equals 100, yes or not?
Yeah.
It's 100 centimeter. If I want to divide 100 into 4 parts, each part will be what?
25.
Yes, here 25, and here 25, and here 25, and here also 25. 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Then now, any quarter meter will be 25 centimeter. And by another way, we can say quarter meter will be centimeter by multiplying 100. Quarter times 100 equals 25. That means that 25 centimeter equals a quarter meter. Got it?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Now is what? Where is Muhammad Ahmed?
Yes.
With me?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I will see now. Let's move to another question. Question number 15. I think it's a very, very easy question.
This
Can you
picture
read?
shows a piece of transparent paper with a design on it. The paper is then folded twice as shown. What would be seen on the folded paper?
Yes. Here I have this one. I have here 4 quarters. The shape up will move down by reflection. It will be what? I can draw now for you. I think this line will be in this shape, and this square will be in this shape. Is this correct or not? This square will be here in this shape, and this triangle will be here in this shape. The first flip now, is correct or not?
The first, you can't. It doesn't have a choice of.
I didn't finish it. I now only flip this part. It's correct now or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, then I finish this part. Now I won't flip here to this part. By drawing, I have the same line. By reflection here, I have the same line. And this triangle will be what? In this shape, I think. And now finish this part. Then the rest here is what? The rest I will draw it here. I have here a square for this only, and I have here this diagonal. And here I have this one and this one here.
So the answer is gonna be A.
Letter what?
A.
Excellent, ya Muhammad. MashaAllah alayk. Easy or not?
I did not understand.
Who had a problem in this question?
Me, please.
I will repeat it again. Yes, Safiya. With me, Safiya.
Me too.
I will repeat it. I will repeat it. Here I want to flip the upper shape. With me, Safiya?
Yes.
Let's start now. Here is the up, here is the up drawing. I will flip it here down, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Then this line, I will draw it here by flip. And this square, I will draw it here. And triangle here up will be what? Will be down. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Anyone has a problem in this first step?
No problem.
Alhamdulillah.
No.
Now let's complete. Here I have the second step. I'll flip this one to this square. This line will be the same on this line. I will choose another color. This line will be here on the same this line. And this line will be flipped here. And this line will be here and this line will be here. And this lines inside the shape will be here. Now we finish second step. It's easy or not?
Yes.
Now the result will be this shape. I will search about this shape in the choice here. It will be letter what? Letter A, yes. Got it, everyone? Safiya, any problem?
Yes. No.
Alhamdulillah. Anyone has a problem?
Why didn't we choose C? Why didn't we choose C?
Here in choose C here, we have here this line inside triangle is different. We have this triangle in the same lines, but here this triangle with different lines. I want triangle with inside lines like this, like first one.
Mr. Why we didn't choose D?
D?
Yes.
Here this shape will move to this square, and this will move to this square. And
Yes.
both, I draw it here. Or this shape, like this shape. I search about only this one. This is the result. I can draw it here. I can draw it here.
Again, Mr.
I search for this shape. You got it?
Oh, yes.
And this
Yes,
B and this shape not the same. This folds and this folds and this folds because here's the inner lines not the same and B also folds. Here is the correct answer will be letter A.
Sister, the easiest way is like to bring a paper and draw the same thing and try to flip in the same way.
Yes, you can. Anyone, you can draw it at home in your paper and try to find the result.
I did it.
MashaAllah.
Before you put the answer, I got A.
Excellent. Good job. Now let's move to another question by another student.
Can I answer?
I will choose now. Safiya, are you answered till now or not?
No, I did not answer.
Then let's start now. Number 16. Yalla, Safiya.
The area of the square is 100 centimeter square. What is the area of the shaded figure? It's
Yes. Before starting, I want to ask you, do you know the law of area of square?
Yes, side multiply side.
Excellent. We can say side multiplied by side or side multiplied by itself. Here we have 10 times 10, it's 100. Then the area will be 100. If you see here, can you tell me how many squares here inside this shape?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh,
10,
you want
11,
I
12.
thought you meant the shaded part. I thought you meant the shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17?
Wait.
Not 17. It will be 16. Here in each line we have 4, and here we have 4 lines, 4 multiplied by 4, it's 16.
16.
Yes, 16 squares, yes. Then the half of them is what?
Half of 16 is 8.
Yes, then half, it's 8. And quarter?
Quarter is 4.
It's 4, yes. Thanks a lot. Here the area for all 16 is what? Is 100. And the area of half?
The area of half should be 50.
Yes, and area of quarter?
So the
it will be
quarter should be
25.
25.
Yes, excellent. Now let's start. We take a question like this yesterday to complete the shape. We can remove any parts and put it in another place to complete the shape. I remember it?
Yeah, that one that we got a half.
Yes. I will try here to erase this part and colored this sport instead of it. And we
So-
cancel
so we're gonna-
here the first one. And by another
And
way,
The
we
next
can
one,
yes, we can color this sport.
and cancel that one.
Yes, and cancel this one. And we can cancel this sport.
And you color that one.
Yes. And again, we can color this
Cancel
sport.
the last one. And now we have
Cancel this sport. Now we have here the shaded board. How many
So-
squares?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, here the colored,
Oh,
not 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. All of this is colored spaces. It's 4,
Only
not
4?
6. Only 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the answer is 25.
Yes, here I have 4 squares, then the answer will be 25, letter B. Easy or not?
Easy.
Easy. Anyone has a problem in this question?
No.
Excellent.
No.
Let's move to another one. Who can answer with me? Hafsa. Hafsa, today is your first time? Hafsa. Hafsa, can you hear me? I'll choose another one.
Me. Please, me.
Who is Dr. Food?
Me. Muhammad
What's your name?
Muhammad Kamal.
What?
I didn't answer.
Who's me now? Hafsa or Dr. Food?
Dr. Food, I am Muhammad.
Muhammad. A nice name,
Yes.
Dr. Food. Let's move to another question. Who talk now? Hafsa? This question will be with Dr. Food, inshallah, and Hafsa will be the next. Here in number 17. Hey, Muhammad, can you read?
The year 2022 is a special year because the digit 2 appears 3 times. This is the third time Najiba, the tortoise, has lived through such a year with 3
Identical digital digits. What is the
digits.
youngest Najiba could be by the end of 2022? Here I have 2022. This is the year. You see what here? You have what is the third time. This is the third what?
time.
Yes. Then I have here second and first. The third time has what? Has 3 identical digits. Means what? I have 3 digits like each other. Like here we have 2, 2, 2. 3 digits like each other. Can you tell me
Yeah.
the year before 2022 have the same 3 digits? We have 20, 21, 2020, 2019.
But-
I want 3 digits. Yes, Ribhi, we have. Ribhi writes in the chat we have 1,999, but this is not the second. Yes, Muhammad, tell me what here will be the second. I think it's 2000. Because here we have 3 digits like each other. Here we have 0, 0, 0. Yes or not?
Yes.
And before it, we can put this year with Ribhi say it or Hamad. It's 1,999. We have 3 equal digits here. And now he asks about what? The youngest. What is the youngest, Najiba? Could be
by
the end of 22. I want the time or from this year to this year. By subtracting. Yes, it's 23. Excellent. We can subtract these 2 years from each other. We get 23 by subtractions. Thanks. Good job. Now, is there any problem in this question with anyone?
Yeah,
No.
Miss, I do not understand.
Mister, I have a question.
I did not understand.
So after this session, we have still 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So after this session, we will join again.
No. At the end, we'll be finished, and then in another time, we'll have another session, inshallah.
So the next, Mister, so the next Friday we will join again.
No, we'll not join again.
In each Saturday?
Friday.
Let's repeat this question again for some students. Here, he told me 2022 is a special year because we have here digit 2 repeated 3 times. Then I have here this year now. And then he say here the 3rd time. Then I have 2 times before it. Then what is the number before 2022 have 3 digits like each other? If you search all of numbers,
Mr.
yes, I'm
Ahmed,
talking
can't
now,
hear you.
Safiya. What's the problem with you?
No, I didn't say anything.
In chat.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't sending it to you. I was sending something else.
Yes. Here before 2022, we have 2000. This number has 3 digits like each other. And before 2000, we have 1999 because here we have 3 9. Then this is the first time, and this is the second time, and this is the third time. And he wants what is the youngest Najiba could be by the end of 2022. He wants his age here from this year to this year to 2022. Then I will subtract 2022 minus 1999. By subtracting, we get 23. We can subtract 2 minus 9 can't be. I borrow. This would be 1. This is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 1 minus 9 can't be. Borrow. This will be 1, and this will be 10. I take 1, it will be 9, and here 11 minus 2, and so on. Got it? Is there any problem in this question?
Yeah.
Is there a problem, Liz?
No.
No. Let's move to another question. Where is Hafsa? Hafsa asked me to answer. Hafsa is me?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, Hafsa was me, please.
Not Hafsa.
What's your name?
Maria.
Maria again? No, Maria. Take a chance to another student.
I didn't answer.
You didn't answer yet?
Yeah, I didn't answer.
Let's start. Read number 18.
Can I after her?
Read question, please.
Vander wants to complete the picture so that each row, each column, each set of 4 circles connected by a line segments contains the 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, we have only 1, 2, 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. We will choose these numbers. And then?
What is the line in the circle containing the question mark?
Yes. Here I have in this group, blue group. You see blue group here? We have 1 and 2.
Yeah.
I can write what here in these circles. We can write 3 or 4 in any place as you like. Here 3 and here 4. We have just 1 minute. We will not Complete the question,
Yes.
please. Nice to meet you guys. I will complete in the next session, inshallah. Study hard and do well. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good time. Maria, next time we'll start with you, inshallah.
Okay.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye. And Dr. Food.